continue the same. We'll go to the next question now. Now, so mitochondria are related to. So you are knowing mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell, or it may be called as currency storage bank. So many names we are using here, but here whatever the extra energy is there, the energy is stored in mitochondria, so we are calling it as a powerhouse of the cell. Now here, energy stored in the form of energy currency. Here, energy currency is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So, adenosine triphosphate you are observing, and here mitochondria are related to. Just see the options: prokaryotes, plasmids, plastids, and viruses. So here mitochondria are related in this option is option C, they are plastids. Plastids are also containing mitochondria. So option C, plastids is a correct answer. We'll move to the next. Now, Fn particles or oxysome or elementary particles are present in. So, mitochondria, it is containing two membranes. Outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane is folded. So, the folded membrane is called as cristae. The cristae is containing a small rounded particles, what we are calling generally as Racker's particles, and these particles are also called as Fn particle or oxysome. We'll go through the option here. Endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi complex. So, as I explained, here the correct option is option C, that is mitochondria. So, we'll move to the next question. Now, the number of mitochondria increases in cells of. Where number of mitochondria increases? Options: A, dormant seeds, B, germinating seeds, C, dry seeds, and last one is dead seeds. So see, as the number of mitochondria increases, in the sense the energy requirement should be more. Where energy is required more, there the mitochondrial number automatically increases. So here, in case of these options, in dormant seeds, okay, there is no requirement of much energy. In germinating seeds, they are very active, so they need more and more energy. Dry seeds, here no activity, so no energy is required. Dead cells, it is inactive cell, so as a result their energy is not required. So the correct option is option B, germinating seeds. The germinating seeds, the cells are regularly undergoing division, so as a result more and more energy is required. So because of that, the germinating seed is a correct answer. So option B, germinating seed is the right one. Next. So here the part 4 is 4. Now we are starting with the part 5. Here we are studying some of the organelles present in the cytoplasm. So first organelle we are studying mitochondria, and along with the mitochondria we are also studying plastids. So first we'll try to cover mitochondria in this period. So first I'll explain you the general structure of mitochondria, after that, we'll go through the questions. First, we'll go to the structure of mitochondria. Now see. So first of all, we are dealing with the mitochondrial structure. Now, when we are observing the structure of mitochondria, here, just I am drawing the diagram. So here you can see Racker's particle. So now see here you can see a DNA and also ribosomes. So one by one I am marking it. First, outer membrane, then comes the inner membrane, then this is the matrix. So here, this one you are calling it as cristae. Then comes, this is DNA, ribosomes, then Racker's particle, okay, and so on. So, first you see here the outermost membrane. It is a double membrane structure. Mitochondria is a double membrane structure. The outermost layer, it is a membrane, two membrane structure I said. Outer membrane is smooth and continuous. There is no folding and nothing. Okay, and inner membrane, when you are observing, it is showing so many folds, finger-like projections inside. And these finger-like projections, you are calling them as cristae. So each cristae, when you are observing, it is containing many number of Racker's particles. And these are also called as F1 particles, where electron transport system is taking place. ETS. Electron transport system is taking place here and energy is released. And in between two membranes, there is a space that is called intermembrane space. And inside, you can see here, this area is completely covered with the liquid matter or fluidy matter, what we are calling it as the matrix. And then it is also containing a small DNA, and it is also having the ribosomes. This is the general structure of mitochondria. And this mitochondria itself, we are calling it as a powerhouse of the cell, or energy bank of the cell, or power battery of the cell. So in this way, the different names we are using here. So this is regarding the general structure of mitochondria. Now we will move to our questions. So come back to the question. Thylakoids are constituents of. So thylakoid you want to see in the sense, again you have to study regarding the plastics. So it is better to explain plastids also and then go to the questions. So as I am given the general idea of mitochondria, now I am giving the same general idea of plastids also. Just we'll move back to our whiteboard and we'll see here. Now the plastids. So plastids are colored pigments which are found in the plant body. Now here the plastids are actually divided into different types. That is, usually you are dividing plastids into three types. Which are those three types? First of all, one we are calling chloroplast. Next is chromoplast, and last is leucoplast. So chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast you are observing. Now here chloroplast, it is containing chlorophyll A, B, C and so on. So it is always giving green color to the plant body. So the chloroplast is containing the green pigment. Chlorophyll, it is called chlorophyll A, B, C and so on. So like this, the chloroplast is always giving green color to the plant body. Then chromoplast, other than green plant, other than green part, whichever color you are observing in the plant, it is nothing but chromoplast. See some of the petals, sepals, okay, androecium, gynoecium, and apart from that, other parts of the plant, okay, young leaves and different kinds of colored leaves. So in this way, different colors what you people are observing is nothing but a chromoplast. Then leucoplast is totally colorless. Okay, so colorless structure what you are observing in plant is nothing but a leucoplast. So in this way, chloroplast, it is restricted to green color. Other than green color, whatever is present, that is called a chromoplast. Then leucoplast is totally colorless. Now we will study the general structure of chloroplast now. So here when you are taking a general structure of chloroplast, just see, it is oval or elliptical in shape and having two membrane structure, outer membrane as well as inner membrane. So it is containing many disc-like structures which are placed one above the another. So like this. And they are interconnected with the lamellas and also it is containing a fluidy matter inside. Everywhere you can see. Now I'm just leveling it. Now see to it. This is called outer membrane. And here next one is inner membrane. Then here we are calling it as stroma. And these are grana. And these are lamellae. So, some parts I mentioned here. This chloroplast is usually elliptical in shape or egg-shaped structure, having two membranes, outer membrane as well as inner membrane. The outer and inner membrane, they are continuous and they are smooth. Inner to the inner membrane, it is containing a fluidy matter, what you are calling it as matrix or stroma. And it contains many plate-like or disc-like structures which are placed one above the another, and that is called as grana. Grana is plural one, granum is a singular one. So one plate if you are taking, granum you are calling. Or you may also call it as the thalapite. So in this way the grana bunches you are observing. And these granas are connected with the lamellae. Usually chloroplast is a photosynthetic apparatus. In the plants, the photosynthesis is usually taking place by means of chloroplast. It is containing a pigment called chlorophyll. So, chlorophyll is a green pigment which helps in photosynthesis. And now the question arises, what is photosynthesis? A formation of food by using the raw materials in the nature and solar energy or radiant energy is converted into a chemical energy. That is, sunlight is converted into carbohydrates. This process you are calling it as photosynthesis. That photosynthesis is taking place by means of chloroplast. And here, the photosynthesis is a light reaction. Okay, in the presence of light, the photosynthesis is taking place. So as a result, here the grana are helping to it. So light reaction is taking place in grana part of chloroplast. And also when light is absent during dark time, okay, during night time, here the reactions are taking place in the stroma of the chloroplast. So dark reaction is taking place in the stroma and light reaction is taking place in the grana. So in this way, the general structure of chloroplast you are observing. Now we'll move to our questions. Now see, thalaphoids are constituents of, here thalaphoids are usually seen in case of chloroplast. Just now you observed. Now we will go to the options. Chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum or ribosomes. The right answer is option A, chloroplast. Move to the next. Anthocyanins are pigments which are, so anthocyanin pigments, the chromoplast what you studied, cyanin is a pigment there. Anthocyanin is a pigment, okay, which is found in the chromoplast. Just see, water soluble and located in chromoplast. Water insoluble and located in chromoplast. Water insoluble and located in cell sap. Water soluble and located in cell sap. So here option D is the correct answer. It is water soluble and also located in the cell sap. So option D is the correct answer. We'll move to the next. Now see, a well-organized system of grana and stroma in plastids of normal barley plant was reported by, who reported this? Okay, so option D on Weston, then Peter Sachi, P. Armand, then Grill. So here the right option is option A, D on Weston. So option A is the correct answer. We'll move to the next one. The chloroplast of algae usually lack. The chloroplast of algae is not containing. What it is not containing? Just see. Grana, pigments, quandazones, then lamellae. Here, usually the algae are having chloroplast, but the chloroplasts are not containing the grana. So option A, grana is the correct answer. We'll move to the next. A flattened disc-like sac in a chloroplast is called. A flattened disc-like sac in a chloroplast is called. I told the discs are placed one above the another. Okay, go to the option. Loculus, thylakoid, stroma, margin. So here, the option B, you are calling it as thylakoid. Okay, next. Now, in which of the following cell organelle both the photo and thermochemical reactions occur? Photo and thermochemical reactions are occurring. Okay, option A is lysosome, chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosome. So see, in which of the following cell organelle both the photo and thermochemical reactions are taking place? Photochemical and thermochemical. Photo is nothing but a light reaction and dark reaction. So here the correct answer is option B, chloroplast. In chloroplast, these reactions are taking place. Next one. Now see, which of the following organelles is bounded by two unit membranes? Okay, two membranes are found in which organelle they are asking. Just see the option. Golgi complex, peroxisome, chloroplast, lysosome. So here the right answer, double membrane structure, is option C, chloroplast. Next one. In which plastids are not found? In which plastids are not found? Okay, just see the option. Blue-green algae, bacteria, fungi, all of the above. So here option D, all of the above, is the right answer. So here you cannot see a plastid. Now we'll move to the next. Plant cell is differ from animal cell because of. The difference between plant cell and animal cell you have to say. Just go to the option. The presence of cell wall and absence of chlorophyll in plant cell. The presence of cell wall and chlorophyll in plant cell. The absence of cell wall and presence of chloroplast in animal cell. That is the absence of cell wall and presence of chlorophyll in plant cell. So here the correct option is option B, the presence of cell wall and chlorophyll in plant cell. So we'll move to the next. The bright colors of ripe fruits are due to the ripe fruits, the fruit which is bloomed. Okay, such type of fruit is having the bright colors. Okay, why for a days? Just see the option. It is due to leucoplast, then chloroplast, amyloplast, and chromoplast. Just earlier I explained the chromoplast, other than green color, all colors are present in chromoplast. So the option D is the right answer, that is the chromoplast. We'll move to the next. The green pigment, that is chlorophyll, presence in plants is. Okay, the green pigment presence in plants is A. chromoplast, B. chloroplast, C. ribosome, D. lysosome. So here the correct option is option B, chloroplast. So we'll move to the next one. So see here, cell organelles found only in plants. Cell organelles found only in plants. Options: Golgi complex, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes. So here correct option is option C, plastids. So dear friends, we are continuing same in the coming class. So we'll stop it here and continue it in the coming class. So thank you.